Hi travelers, welcome to Puerto Vallarta. This city is located on the western coast of Mexico. It is considered one of the most visited places in this country, and it's also one of the most friendly cities in the world. Our adventure starts on the Pier Playa de los Muertos, where we will take a tour with several activities. First stop, Los Arcos. In this cave, boats are not supposed to come through, just peek in, because of an accident that occurred in the past. It is forbidden by law to cross the arc completely now. This arc is called the Devil because of a few lightning strikes have left a silhouette similar to that of the devil.
Our second stop was to go snorkeling, but first we fed some fish with pieces of bread. Third stop, jumping from a rock.
¿Cuántos metros de altura hay?
Where we dropped over 4 meters into the water below.
Hay 4 metros de altura, estamos por saltar. ¿Para qué en serio salto esto? ¡Listo!
Our last stop was Horse Beach.
Arriving to Playa Caballo.
The first thing we did was take some pictures for Meshed Up Live. After, we sat down on the rocks to play with the fish. Then we saw an anguilla, or eel, being eaten by crabs. To finish this incredible adventure, we moved away from the coast to float in the ocean. We hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. We'll see you next time.